Look no further than the 2020 Ford F-150. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. Take a closer look at this full-size F-150. It's the light-duty pickup that leverages military-grade aluminum alloy and high-strength steel to produce class-leading towing and payload capabilities. What's more, available options let you customize its hard-working bed so you can be more productive than ever before. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, fog lamps, 4x4, electronic stability control, trailer hitch, aluminum wheels, intermittent wipers, tire pressure monitoring system, power windows, four-wheel disc brakes. This F-150 is the sweet spot at the intersection of strong and light. Take it out for a test drive and see for yourself. Our professional staff looks forward to giving you excellent service.